আসসালামু আলাইকুম সবাইকে। কেমন আছেন সবাই? আশা করি ভালো আছেন এবং খুব মজায় আছেন। যাই হোক, আপনাদের সকলের জন্য আজকে লুপিংটা দিয়ে দিচ্ছি। লুপিংটা খুব সহজ। আমি আজকে রিক্যাপ করব। তো আমি আজকে করব হচ্ছে যে কোনো লিস্টে, in any list we will be adding the total number using not the number method or sum method, using for loop. And in any of the list we will add the number of people, and also from the same list we will do find the highest number or score. Okay, so let's make a list. For example, here, like, make a list. This is the list. For example, you just made the list, and 23, 45, 56, 43, 56, 76, 87, 97. Okay, this is the list, for example. So now we will make the total number, meaning we'll add the whole numbers by for loop, for because before that total number is equals, we don't know, 0. So for value in, uh, this is the list, not this. This is the list. Total number is equal to total number plus equals value. So we know this is also the same thing as total number equals total number plus value, correct? So this is the same thing as this line. So we have it. So this is the total number plus equals value. So now you just print it. Print f string. So this is basically total number. So you just found out of that list, or in the list, or whatever you want to say, the total number is. So before that you can use the colon to value this, is what? Total number. Can you see? So see this, control S, run it, because sometimes it doesn't run, it just runs the previous one. So this is the total number, 483. It just ran it. So we can find out how to use this for loop. So now we're gonna find how many members in this list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 members. So for that, total member in the list, this is the variable which is 0. So we just go uh, for number in this list. So total member in the list plus equals 1. Okay. So can you go for how many numbers? So it would be print as string. So the total number is, then you curly bracket with the same total number in the list. We are finding total number in the list. So you just move it and print it, save it, control save and print it. Total number in the list is 8. You can see. I hope you got this until now. So this is for looping method. We are not doing anything else. The highest number. So we don't know what is the highest number. Highest number out of this whole list. So highest value is equal to 0. We don't know. For score in, not for score, for value in, uh, this is the list. So we just go for what? For value. So value is greater than highest value. Okay. Any value, any value, any value in this list, even though if you add them, if you minus them, or if you just divide them, any value is greater than highest value. But when you find the highest value, we are going to find the HEIGHEST, highest value equals value. Okay, print the number is Control S, and this is the highest value, I guess. Highest value is what? 97. Can you see this? 97. Is there any other number beyond 97? No. Okay. So this is the thing we wanted to discuss with the for loop from the list. So we have to use for loop from the list. Okay. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it.